Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you are fine. I am going to discuss mathematics class second year chapter number 2 differentiation exercise number 2.10. In this lecture I will solve questions 7 and 8 that is most relevant for paper's point of view. If you are new on my channel then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Let's start question 7. A box with a square base and open top is top to have a volume of 4 cube dm in dimension. Find the dimensions of the box which will require the least material. First of all, let's suppose we draw a cube square that open top and top is top. Length is equal to x. Width is denoted by x and height is denoted by y. Let length width and height of a box are x and y respectively. Next have a volume of 4 cube dm. So volume is equal to x multiply y. Volume is equal to 4. So 4 is equal to x multiply x square y dividing by x square on both sides. So x square cancels. Y is equal to 4 divided by x square. Equation number 1. Next, surface area of box is equal to area of square plus area of for vertical width area of box is equal to so f of x is equal to area of square is equal to side by side, it means x multiply x plus area of 4 vertical width is equal to 4 x y. F of x is equal to x square plus 4 x y. Y replaced by 4 divided by x square. So f of x is equal to x square plus 4 x. Y is equal to 4 divided by x square. X cancel. F of x is equal to x square plus 4 times 16 divided by x. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Derivative of f of x is equal to derivative of x square plus 16 divided by x square. Derivative of f of x with respect to x is equal to f prime of x. Further differentiate derivative of x square plus 16 derivative of 1 divided by x. F prime of x is equal to derivative of x square with respect to x is equal to 2x plus 16 derivative of 1 divided by x with respect to x is equal to minus 1 over x square. So f prime of x is equal to 2x minus 16 divided by x square. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Derivative of f prime of x is equal to derivative of 2x minus 16 divided by x square. Derivative of f prime of x with respect to x can also be written in the form of f double prime of x. Further differentiate to derivative of x minus 16 derivative of 1 divided by x square. F double prime of x is equal to 2 derivative of x with respect to x is equal to 1 minus 16 derivative of 1 divided by x square is equal to minus 2 divided by x cube. So f double prime of x is equal to 2 minus multiply minus plus 16 2 times 32 divided by x cube. Equation number 2 and equation number 3. Put f prime of x is equal to 0. So second become 2x minus 16 divided by x square is equal to 0. Take a common 2x minus 2 8 times 16 divided by x square is equal to 0. Dividing by 2 on both sides to cancel x minus 8 divided by x square is equal to 0. 0 by 2 is equal to 0. Taking LCM x square multiply x is equal to x cube minus 8 is equal to 0. By cross multiplication x cube minus 8 is equal to 0. X cube is equal to 8. X cube is equal to 2 power 3. 2 power 3 is equal to 8. Multiplying 1 by 3 both sides. 2 power 3 multiply 1 over 3. 3 3 cancel, 3 3 cancel. So x is equal to put x is equal to 2 in f double prime of x. F double prime of 2 is equal to 2 plus 32 divided by 2 power 3 greater than 0. Hence f of x has minimum value at x is equal to 2. Next, put x is equal to 2 in equation 1. So 1 become y is equal to 4 divided by x square, it means 2 square. Y is equal to 4 divided by 4, y is equal to 1. Hence the required dimensions are first 2D, 2dm and 1dm mean dimension. Dear student, next question number 8. Find the dimension of a rectangular garden having perimeter 80 meters if its area is to be maximum. First of all, we draw a rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to side by side. It means one side is x and the vertical y, x, y. Let x and y be the required dimension. Next, perimeter is equal to area sum of all sides, it means x plus y plus x plus y. So perimeter is equal to 80 meters. 80 is equal to x plus x is equal to 2x plus y is equal to 2y. 80 is equal to taking common 2 from x and y. So x plus y dividing by 2 on both sides. 240 times 80. X plus y is equal to 40. So y is equal to 40 minus x, equation number 1. Next, area of rectangle. Is equal to f of x is equal to length multiply width. So x y, f of x is equal to x, y replace 40 minus x. So 40 multiply x is equal to 40x minus x multiply x square. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Derivative of f of x is equal to derivative of 40x minus x square. Derivative of f of x with respect to x can also be written in the form of f prime of x is equal to, further differentiate 40 into derivative of x with respect to x minus derivative of x square. F prime of x is equal to 40, derivative of x with respect to x is equal to 1. minus derivative of x square with respect to x is equal to 2x. F prime of x is equal to 40 minus 2x. Equation number 2. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Derivative of f prime of x is equal to derivative of 40 minus 2x. Derivative of f prime of x with respect to x can also be written in the form of f double prime of x. Derivative of 40 minus 2 derivative of x with respect to x. Derivative of 40 with respect to x is equal to 0 minus 2 derivative of x with respect to x is equal to 1 dot 1. F double prime of x is equal to minus 2. Question number 3. Put f prime of x is equal to 0. So equation second becomes 40 minus 2x is equal to 0. 40 is equal to 2x dividing by 2 on both sides. 20 times 40x is equal to 20 meter. Next put x is equal to 20 in f double prime of x. So equation third becomes f double prime of 20 is equal to minus 2 less than 0. Hence f of x has maximum value at x is equal to 20. Put x is equal to 20 in equation 1. So 1 become y is equal to 40 minus 20, y is equal to 20. Hence the required dimensions of a rectangle are 20 meter and 20 meter. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.